In this video, I will show you how to follow websites on Chrome. Open your Chrome app. Now, go to a website you want to follow. Let's go to Forbes.com. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. You will see an option called Follow alongside the website name. Now, tap Follow. This will subscribe you to the website's updates. Now, when you open a new tab, you'll see a Following section. And the following section is showcasing content from websites you follow. To see the list of the websites you follow, tap the gear icon next to the Following tab. Go to Manage. Now go to Following. And you will see the websites you follow. You can also easily unfollow any website from here. Just uncheck this box, and the website will be unfollowed. That's it. I hope the video helped you. Please like the video. It helps me out. Thank you.